Hey everyone, welcome to Chalchitra Talks. मेरा नाम सुमेधा है. Today I want to talk about and recommend to you a post-rock band that in my opinion is quite underrated and definitely deserves to be known more. The band is called Veilfall. They are a 5-member post-rock band from the US. If you're someone who's already comfortable with the post-rock genre, you like listening to the genre, but you're also into other genres like shoegaze, indie, folk, jazz, then this is a band that you should definitely check out. But if you're also someone who is not very comfortable or familiar with post-rock yet, but you're interested in getting into this genre and you already enjoy maybe instrumental rock music, then this is also a great starter post-rock band to get more deep into this genre because their sound is very conventionally post-rock. If someone who's already in this genre were to listen to this band without knowing their name or without knowing what kind of music they make, it would not be difficult for them to recognize that it's post-rock music. But still at the same time, they do use a lot of elements from other genres. It's a very easy to listen to post-rock band. I came across Veilfall when I was still new to the post-rock genre, and I used to be very active in looking for Facebook pages and YouTube channels that focused on post-rock music. One such YouTube channel is called The World Has Post-Rock, and this is a channel that I still follow, and it has given me some amazing post-rock bands that I still cherish and would keep with me for a long time. Veilfall is one such band, and at that time I also used to be very dedicated, I think, in listening to every band that this page would post about. That has definitely reduced a lot now, but I'm so glad that I did that earlier at least, because I came across a band like Veilfall, because otherwise I would not have come across them, as they're not really a mainstream post-rock band. If you were to go and search for the top post-rock bands, Veilfall is not one band that you would see. You would see names like Mogwai, Explosion in the Sky, God is an Astronaut, Godspeed You, Black Emperor. But yeah, I am so glad that I checked out Veilfall, and it's stayed with me for quite a long time now. There are a few reasons why this band stands out for me from the other mainstream post-rock bands. The first one is that you can't call their music as outright sad or serious, I think, which is a stereotype about post-rock music and something even I used to have, but that is not the case with Veilfall. Veilfall's music, I think, is better termed as comforting post-rock music. It's music that is definitely not outright happy, but it's, I think, a very perfect balanced mix of sadness and optimism that you can hear from the music, and at the same time it's beautiful. And the second reason why I like this band a lot, and I think it's different from the mainstream bands, is because in addition to a lot of the traditional post-rock instruments like guitar, piano, drums, this band also makes use of horn and brass instruments. A lot of the songs feature instruments like trombone, saxophone, trumpets. Even some songs have cello in them and synth in them, which is something I've not heard in a lot of post-rock bands' music, especially for the horn instruments. So that's why when I first heard their music and I heard the horn instrument part, I think it was a saxophone in one of the songs, and it blew me away. I was like, this combination of post-rock instrumental music with these horn instruments, it's just so beautiful, and I've stuck to Veilfall because of this reason. And I've not come across a lot of bands after Veilfall that have done this same combination, and that too in such an amazing way. I would like to recommend some songs from each of their albums that I think you should check out to get an introduction to this band. From their first album titled Veilfall, I would recommend that you check out On Sen, Old County, and Julia, Train, Slow Down. From the second album titled The Medrian, I would recommend the following: I Shall Sail No More, No More Shall I Sail, El Pistolero. In this song, the manner in which they have used different horn instruments, it's mind-blowing. If I have to recommend just one song for Veilfall, I think this would be the one. The third song I recommend from this album is Heart Space, and finally the song titled the same as the album, The Medrian. From the third album titled Sondo Songs, I would recommend the following: Decades, Cast Against Type, Reservoirs. This particular song has a very jazzy feel to it, and I really liked this particular song a lot from this album. There's one more song that I want to recommend from this album, Sonder Songs, and the name also is very interesting, I think. This song is titled The Cat Has No Moral Compass. So these were all my recommendations for this week. I would love to know what you think about the songs that I've recommended, and I will be back next week with another recommendation.